So again, let's just figure out what is a polyhedra. 3D, takes up space, that's fun. It has flat faces, so you can't really use curved things on it. Straight edges, so you can't have a cylinder because that has round edges on the top and the bottom. Sharp corners, and they're closed. So you can't just have an open top, it has to be closed in some way. Yes?
Would a folded paper crane count as polyhedra?
Something like this. Yes, technically, it's a very complicated one, but it is. Well, I have to push up this brown page. But this is technically polyhedra. Okay, there's various paper shapes. Be careful with that one. Please don't try to take it apart. It takes a lot to put back.
It's heavy.
It is kind of heavy. It's probably, I don't know, 30 sheets of paper.
How many triangles do you think are on
Yeah, cool. So everything I've got on the table right now is called a platonic solid, and that's because they only have one polygon for their faces. Okay.
And then did you use like the triangles put together?
Not yes, it's made out of triangles
Yeah, exactly.
with special edge units, but it's a little bit different from everything else. Right. So the important thing to know about platonic solids is there are only 5 of them. Right. And I'm gonna try to do a quick demo to show you why that is. Okay. So they're made out of regular shapes. So when if I search from triangles, if I have 3 triangles and I want to fold this into a 3D shape, that works out if I can do it. And now I have, what's a cone, but when I combine a whole bunch of these, I get those pyramids that we see, right? And so, 3 triangles, that's good, that works. What if we try 4? Now I try 4 triangles, I have these 4, and I collapse them into something, I have a cone. Now it's 4 sides, a little bit bigger, that makes that shape that Patrick's holding right there. And I just take 2 of these and stick them on top of each other. And then, what happens if I take 5? So now I have 5 triangles, I have 4.5 triangles, on this sheet of paper, but if I, collapse this, and then even wider cone, we see it's getting larger. But this is still a full shape, and wherever my icosahedron is, that's what you make when you combine a bunch of these. So now what happens when I take 6 triangles? I now have this shape. Imagine I wasn't so bad at folding. I have this. But this thing doesn't turn into a cone anymore because I filled up the middle. Because I can't make a 3D shape out of this. So I can't use 6 triangles anymore. So when you do this for each of the shapes, a square, I can do 3 squares, but 4 squares, I filled it up. And pentagons, I can do 3 pentagons, and that works. But for all the other shapes, I can't make 3D things. So that's why there's only 5 of these. I just talked for a really long time about something,